Hi, folks. Rick Wedell here. I'm the Chief Investment Officer at RFG Advisory. Thought we'd come to you today with a brief market update, kind of let you know what's going on out there. S&P 500 right now, right about 5585, just shy of that 5600 number. That's up about 17.8% year to date. I would just note, classic example of market up and down type pattern. We had about a week period of 5 days right there at the beginning of August when the market was down about 6% on some unemployment concerns. We are now up about 7.7, about 7.5% off of that low. If you look at just a trailing 1 month return, we are in the positive. So have come roaring back after the concerns that kind of rippled through the market at the beginning of the month. If I think about the drivers of that concern, just to get everybody back into the narrative, we saw a very weak jobs number, a very weak unemployment report right at the beginning of August, which tipped off a lot of that concern. Since then, the economic data that we've gotten has been very benign. In particular, retail sales number coming out late last week that was pretty strong, showed that consumers continue to spend, certainly aren't pulling back despite maybe a little bit weaker employment picture. And this really speaks to what we've heard the Fed say a number of times about risks to the margin being balanced through the economy. So a balanced risk on the risk of increased inflation, but also a balanced risk of unemployment. Still looking for that 50 basis point rate cut in September, although I would remind people we will get another unemployment report between now and then. So depending on how that unemployment report comes out, we may see more or less in terms of an interest rate cut. So, the data not fully baked there. Last but not least, we are kind of at the very tail end of second quarter earnings season with about 460 companies reporting. Numbers basically right in line with expectations or guidance, EPS or net income, earnings, if you will, up about 8.5% for those S&P 500 companies. Sales up about 4.8%. That is in line with the sort of +9, +5 guidance, 9% on earnings, 5% on revenue, or expectations that we came into the quarter. So really just kind of meeting expectations through second quarter, but those are very positive results. So we will take the meet. With that, as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to myself or to your advisor. I hope you're having a great day, and I look forward to talking to you again soon.